What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to walk you through how I go from this bedhead hair to this coming up in this video. Good morning YouTube. What's up YouTube? It's Winstonee coming to you guys with a brand new video. As you can see, this video is a little different. I'm in my bed right now. I woke up this morning and I was like, you know what? I told you guys I'll give you a morning hair routine of what I do in the morning to get ready, you know, after I wake up to get my hair curly and what exactly is the process I do. So I decided to start from the bare morning. So I know a lot of you ask, like, what do I use at night to tie my hair down with? To be honest, I don't, as you can see, I don't put anything on my hair as far as tying it down at night. A lot of times I would just use a hair tie just to tie it up so it won't be in my face while I'm sleeping, but last night I didn't do that. There's lots of nights when I actually don't do that. I just go into the bed and then just deal with it in the morning. I always tell you guys to use a satin pillowcase. As you can see, I'm clearly not using a satin pillowcase right now. My satin pillowcase unfortunately got lost. I was washing the pillowcase somewhere between the dryer in my closet. It was missing, so I have to buy a new one. Ideally it would be a satin pillowcase. Satin pillowcases help to retain the moisture in your hair. Cotton pillowcases dry your hair out. It sucks all of the moisture out of your hair and you'll wake up and your hair is dry. I've gotten asked a lot, how do you prevent yourself from getting a bedhead in the morning, you know, kind of like this? If you want, you can wear like a hair tie or you can wear like a bandana, but see, the thing with even that is if you have hair like mine, like my hair texture, even without an S-curl, if you have your hair restrained in a position for a long period of time, as soon as you take the restraints off, such as a hair tie or a bandana, then your hair is just gonna stay in that position. So either way, your hair is it's not gonna always be perfect when you wake up. You're always gonna have to do something to it so that it can get back to how you like it. A lot of people do sleep, you know, on top of their pillow and they're like this, and they sleep like this. I'm sorry, I can't. I need to be comfortable when I sleep. I like to roll around and be one with my pillow, so I can't really sleep like that. I would rather sleep as comfortable as I want to sleep and then in the morning have to deal with my hair, which is what I'm going to show you guys how I deal with it. Okay guys, so in the morning, like most people do, I go straight to my bathroom to brush my teeth in the shower and all that stuff. To get my hair back to what it was, you know, it first requires me to take a shower, and then in the shower I would wet my hair. Depending on the day, I would shampoo and condition my hair. Now today it's a shampoo day, so I will be shampooing and conditioning my hair. What I do, the first thing as soon as I get into the shower, is I would lather my hair up with the shampoo, rinse it out. Usually I do it twice, so I'll lather it up twice with shampoo, rinse it out. Then I would put some conditioner in my hair, lather it up, and leave the conditioner in my hair while I continue to take a shower. And then once I'm done actually showering, then I would go and wash the conditioner out of my hair. So today to condition and shampoo my hair, I will be using the Shea Soft and Smooth shampoo from OGX, and I will be using their Vitamin E Conditioner. I've been using this shampoo and conditioner for probably a couple months and it's really been doing great for my hair. If you guys want to purchase it, you can go ahead and I'll leave a link in the description. This isn't sponsored, they didn't send me this. But yeah, this will be the shampoo and conditioner I'll be using. So I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and show you guys the next step I do on getting my curls back. Alright guys, so I'm fresh out of the shower. I'm fresh from shampooing and conditioning my hair. So probably one of the biggest takeaways from this video is that I don't dry my hair with a towel. I don't dry my hair with anything. I strictly air dry my hair. The only two times I would ever dry my hair with a towel is if I'm in a hurry and I don't want to show up to my destination with wet hair looking crazy, or if it's cold outside and I don't want to step out of the house with wet hair because of course I don't want a cold or worse, pneumonia. And one of the things I do to help my hair to air dry is just shake it. Yeah guys, so I'll just shake it to help it to air dry. Now it may look really crazy, but hey, that's just what I do. But I don't shake it like too hard to where I get whiplash or like break my neck or anything, but you know, just kind of give it like a little, you know, just splatter all the water onto the wall, because of course I don't care about the paint on my wall. It usually takes my hair like 30 to 40 minutes to completely dry. Usually if I'm getting ready for something in the morning, I'll set aside an additional 20 minutes for my hair to dry, because by 20 minutes It's still a little damp, but it's still okay to, you know, go out. Nobody will really tell that it's wet if you touch it. But then also, after I shake my hair out, then I go to moisturize it. Now on an everyday basis, just the plain, simple washing and shampooing my hair, when I moisturize it, all I do is I just put a oil in there. I'll just get usually something like this. This is argan oil right here. If you guys can see it, it's just a simple argan oil. You literally get this at Walmart for like 88 cents. They have the argan oil, they have the coconut oil, and they have the olive oil. They're literally 88 cents. But I'll use this like on an everyday basic, just trying to wash my hair and moisturize it. Now if I'm looking to switch up the style of my hair, I'll put a leave-in conditioner in there, because leave-in conditioners will make my curls look a little bit more tighter. Or I'll put like a curl pudding in there, or I'll use a styling gel if I'm, you know, just trying to switch up the style of my hair, or if I'm trying to get like a different hairstyle, box braids, twists, or whatnot. But I don't use all that stuff on a daily basis. Daily basis would definitely just be an oil. Most of the time it's an argan oil, sometimes it's coconut oil, sometimes it's olive oil. It really just depends. This oil has like the little droplet at the end of it. So I literally would just take this and then I'll just like, you know, put little drops, different parts of my hair, like this. You know, of course, my hair is still a little damp right now. It's easy to get to my scalp when my hair is damp. Then just take my hand and just kind of massage it onto my scalp for the most part. You know, just trying to really get it into my scalp so that my scalp can be moisturized and my scalp won't be dry. You know, once I'm done with that, I'll give it another good little shake like this. Oh, just to kind of to get some of the rest of the excess water on my hair, and then, you know, I'll just kind of put the hair back to where it needs to be for when it dries. So then now at this point, I'll just leave it and let it air dry. That's pretty much the routine. The S curl in my hair probably plays the biggest part of why I can just shampoo, condition, and put oil in my hair, and then my hair is just curly. You know, the S curl gives my hair its curls. That's why I don't put a curling pudding in my hair or a curling style cream in my hair every day, because my curls come from the S curl. Now if I wanted them curls to be more defined, then yes, I'll put a curling pudding in there, but I kind of like the kind of frizzy, curly look, because then it looks more natural. So yeah, at this point, I'll just wait for my hair to dry. Like I said, it fully dries in 40 minutes. By 20 minutes, you can tell that it's pretty much almost dry. So I'll just wait for it to dry, and then I'll go and make a video, or I'll go out and start my day. I'm gonna come back to you guys when my hair is fully dry so you can see my curls on how it is. Okay, so my hair is dry now, guys, and this is pretty much how it looks after it dries, after about 30 to 40 minutes. Like I said earlier, the biggest reason my hair can dry and be curly like this is because of the S curl that I put in my hair. The S curl is the main factor of why my hair gets curly like this. I don't want you guys to take this as it's that easy to get curls. If you have natural hair, you can get curls with shampoo, conditioning, and moisturizing. Your curls just might not have the same pattern as my hair does. If you have around 4B, 4C hair, then your curls just might be a little tighter. And also, like I said earlier, this is just my basic morning hair care routine of me just waking up, washing my hair, and going about my day. You know, shampooing, conditioning, then moisturizing afterwards, and air drying my hair. This type of maintenance should be done in general for hair. You know, you should always shampoo, condition your hair, and put a moisturizer in there, regardless to whatever type of hairstyle you're trying to get. Besides doing that basic routine every day, on Wednesdays I deep condition my hair, because that's the day that I also shampoo my hair. I deep condition my hair the same day I shampoo it, and it just works out. I like for it to work out that way because it's easier, and also my hair is getting an extra layer of moisturizing after the shampoo. I noticed a lot of you guys are a little confused about how to apply the products in your hair. Whatever you do, when you shampoo and condition your hair, make sure you shampoo your hair first and then condition it. I've spoke to a lot of you guys, and some of you actually condition your hair first and then shampoo it. The shampoo strips your hair of all of its natural oils, and it gets rid of all the dirt in your hair. It gets rid of all the moisture in your hair, so it makes your hair pretty much dry. Then you follow it up with conditioner, which restores that moisture back in your hair, and you know, it gives your hair life again. It gives your hair the oils that the shampoo has stripped from your hair. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was pretty much just my morning hair routine of how I get my hair back to this every day. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, for more hair tutorials, and for more hair care tips. that will be coming out. I'm kind of liking this whole Friday thing, so I think I'm gonna stick to these Fridays, and so you guys expect videos on Fridays because that's what looks like is happening right now. They're just coming out on Fridays. Let me know in the comments, you know, what your hair care routines are. Like, what do you do in the morning to get your hair ready for the day? So yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday.